Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you 3 aesthetic spring room decoration ideas that are easy to make. Let's get started. For this first DIY, you want to take some rocks and place them into a terrarium or a jar. Now when you're done adding the rocks, you can place one or more flowers onto the rocks. And you can also tie on a bow to finish your terrarium. For this next DIY, you want to start out by cutting a piece of lace that's about 1 or 2 inches larger than the height of a jar. And you also want to make sure you have enough lace with about 1 or 2 extra inches to cover the side of a jar. Once you're done cutting the lace, you want to paint some Mod Podge onto the side of the jar, and then you want to line the bottom of the jar with the edge of the longest part of the lace. And then you want to start placing the lace on the jar. You want to keep repeating these steps until you're done, and you also want to do this in sections because it will be easier that way. When the Mod Podge is dry, and if you have any extra lace, you can either cut the lace off, or you can glue the lace on the inside of the jar with Mod Podge. And you can also trim off any extra lace from the side of the jar. Now when you're done with the lace, you want to add any decorations onto your jar, like ribbon or a flower. I glued on a pearl garland and a flower onto the jar with hot glue. Once you're done, you can put string lights into the jar, and then you're all done with your lace jar. For this last DIY, you want to find a picture of anything that you would like, or you can draw it. I decided to do a simple line drawing of a tulip. Now once you have your picture, you want to grab any picture frame you would like, and then you want to tape your picture and a flower on the glass of the frame with washi tape. Then you're all done. That's how you make these aesthetic spring room decorations. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!